I hate to see kids abused. It is the worst thing in the world. It happened to me as a child. So if I could wave a magic wand and stop all kids from being abused in every way imaginable, that would be what I'd do. So for my birthday, it would mean the world to me if you would donate to Operation Underground Railroad. 100% of the profits from my Facebook fundraiser goes directly to Operation Underground Railroad, which helps kids escape from trafficking. I can't say that on TikTok. So please help the kids escape from the trafficking and selling their bodies. Please, it would mean the world to me. My Facebook link is in my bio. Thank you.